If you're a growing family looking for everything to be within walking distance, then this Smithville location's gonna be hard to beat. You're steps away from the rec center and close to the downtown core, which has all the amenities you need. Behind me, I've got a 2-story, 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home that's fully finished, situated on a 20 by 169 foot lot. I'm David Hildebrand, your Smithville Realtor with the Wayne Skillster team, and I'd like to welcome you to 28 Swayze Court, Smithville. Let's get inside. This home is move-in ready. So if you're interested in booking a showing or finding out more information, you can call or text me directly at 905-353-5149.